Hello guys, it's GamingWithTan and today I've got a special video for you guys. Guys, I'm starting this vlog with a awesome thing. Guys, as you can see, I have put a Velcro strap on my Mi Band so that I can attach it to my bed while sleeping. So it goes like, just remove it. I remove the band, hold it like this, and you can just put it like that, guys. It stays there, and it looks pretty good. And you can also do it the other way. You can just do this and put it in a hole, guys, like that, and just strap it, like that. And it looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's get into the video, guys. Let's start with the video. So guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be reviewing the SG Ultrapak Cricket Kit after 1 year exactly, guys. You guys have liked that video so much. The unboxing, it has been like so good, guys. I've just uploaded a Play Arena video and I've been seeing the analytics of the video, and it is pretty good, guys. Lovely. And guys, as you can see that you guys love that SG Ultrapak. It's just like so good, guys. I got 24k views on that and you guys loved it. So guys, I'll be doing a review after 1 year exactly, guys. As you can see that the date is 12th of April, and exactly 1 year, guys. I've done this unboxing pretty good. You guys love it. So let's go and do the review. Guys, go and watch that video. It's pretty good. Please support me. Thank you. Guys, I'm going down currently to grab the SG kit. It's over here. Okay, let's go and grab it. Oh, that's too many cycles. There's like 5 cycles around here. So many. And I've got a bunch of rackets and bats here. It's pretty cool. Okay, guys, anyways, I'll grab the kit and let's go outside. So guys, I have taken out the kit. It's here and it is pretty heavy, guys. As you can see, if you have not seen my other video, the link is there below in the description and in the end screen and the iCard over there. So please check it out, guys. And also, if you've seen the other video when I was unboxing it, was so big, but now it's way bigger. Guys, it's like so big. Fine. Let's go, guys. I'll be doing a review. Guys, this is exactly 1 year old, and it's pretty good. Like it's a little dirty, but it is pretty good. So let's go. So guys, let's go and check these out, and we'll be pretty much good, guys. Fine, come with me. So guys, we'll be seeing this part, guys. This is very helpful for your putting your bottles and sweatbands or anything like that. And then, guys, this part is also pretty much it, the same thing. And I have my the small shoulder pad inside, which I lost. That was bad. And guys, in this one you just need to, guys, you can put your anything inside here, guys, like balls or something like that. And over here, guys, you can put like your balls, sweatband, or something like that, which is like that. This is so heavy. I'm bringing it upwards. Roll the cinematics. Guys, it's so big that I can fit inside it, you know. I think let's try it, you know. Yeah. One step, second. Oh, okay, I'm almost inside. And then sit. Oh, that's really good. Oh, guys, I'm inside. I'm inside. I'm inside. Guys. I'm inside. I'm inside the kit. I'm inside the kit. Oh, that's pretty good. I'm inside the kit. Guys, I'm inside the kit and you know, it's pretty good. It's comfy. It's comfy. Let's go. Guys, it's tough to get up. It's getting up. Done. I sat inside that, you know. It's that big. It's that big. I sat inside that. So let's go. Guys, it's the next day and today I just finished the recording of the SG Ultrapak review after 1 year, guys. It went pretty well, you know. It actually went pretty well. So guys, now what I'm gonna do is guys, you know, I need to tell you something, guys. If you haven't watched that Play Arena video, please go watch that, guys. The link is there below in the description and in the end screen and in the iCard over there. You know, guys, it is pretty cool. Guys, you will love it. The video is going viral and you guys will love it. I'm telling you guys, you guys will love it. And anyways, guys, go smash that like button and the subscribe button, and also comment below and share this video and help us get 1,000 subscribers, guys. Go and tell your friends about the channel. Go and share this channel link to everybody, and you know, you will get a shout out. So bye guys, please subscribe, let's like the video and comment.